We succeeded chasing out Nigeria Joint Force in Ekotutu in Osumohu today, Biafra resistance fighter and Biafra Liberation Army said. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. Today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. No be smart, as we dey waka dey go, na we come dey sell us, mo come see you, now as in dey be na. I will run go enter there. They say Biafra resistance fighter and Biafra Liberation Army chase out the Nigeria Joint Force in Ekotutu in Osumowo today. No say some tori no dey good for our mouth, but it better more na hear am for their own mouth. No be smart. But before we go play this video, abeg, I wan ask you one question. You don actually subscribe to this particular channel? If you know say you never subscribe, oya, just click there subscribe. You no dey pay money, subscribe na free for your own good, so that you will get the update back to back. No be every time you go dey look for our page. And make you turn your notification bell, so that anytime we upload, you go be the first person wey go dey get our update. You know say here update dey nyafu things wey dey happen, dey carry am come give una. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. We'll go play this video, make you watch before we will come back again, continue.
When to face them and chase them out of Ikotutu. That is to tell the world that we are not ready to lay down our gun, not today, not tomorrow, and never. No retrieve and no surrender. You will fight this war, see the last man standing. And as I always say, before the last man standing, everything about Nigeria will be gone, because we will burn Nigeria down. Read my lips. We are here to burn Nigeria down. Nothing good will ever come out of Nigeria. We will make sure that everything about Nigeria delete from the map of the world. It is our promise. By the time we will finish with them, they will wish they never take the violent way that they took. Because it is our right as humans to survive. We will never fold our hand and watch them killing us. Self-defense is enshrined in U.S. chapter, and self-determination is also in their constitution. And so therefore, we will do everything within our power to make sure that we restore this land of Biafra for the betterment of our children, irrespective of who is involved. If you think you have power to stop us, then step forward. Let's see what you carry. Because this men will go at nothing until Biafra is restored. I want to thank all of you that have been praying for us, for the gallant men on ground. I say, may Chuko Kikabiama bless you. I want to thank all of you that have been observing this curfew. Indeed, our aim is to cripple the Nigeria economy, because everything that sustains Nigeria comes from East, and East have been marginalized. East have been killing as well. East have been treating badly. And we say no more. We say no to one Nigeria. We say no to those who kill us as well. We say no to those who want to eliminate all of us. We say no to Britain company. And we say yes to Biafra. And Biafra is where we stand for. Biafra is what we stand for. Biafra is what we need. And Biafra is what we will get. If you say that we cannot have that stand on our way, we will crush you down to ashes. You will never see yourself. You will never even see the pieces of you. Because this very train of us does not have brake. I've told you before that men are warming up. What we are doing now is just a testing of microphone. By the time we will finish this testing and go into the main event, everywhere will catch fire. So therefore, fasten your seatbelt and get ready, because we are about to unfurl the great things that you never expect. We are here to tell the world that we will never surrender and we will never retrieve. Biafra forward and Biafra forever. We never agree to be Nigeria, and we are not. Our forefathers never agreed to it, and their children will never agree to it. And those who say that Nigeria is not negotiable and Nigeria can never be separated, they will die. In their grave, they will see Nigeria separate. They will see Nigeria breaking. They will see Nigeria divide into many pieces, because we have come that we might restore the land of Biafra. It does not matter who is involved. Thank you very much. From me, from the land of Biafra, the very land of Osumowo, the battlefield, it is good afternoon. I may have time to come to you in the evening time to sing the songs of victory to you. If time permits me, it is a great day for Biafrans. Your gallant men can never let you down. Yes, they can never let you down. I thank all of you that have been involving in prayer, praying for us. Chukwukika Abiyama have been hearing your prayer. Indeed, your prayer have been answered. I want to encourage you to keep on praying. Believe you me, though the task is not an easy task, but there is something we really are sure at the end of this fight, Biafra will be emerged. I thank you very much for your support. I thank you very much for your prayer. May God bless all of you who wish Biafra well, and may well reach you. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. God bless all the Biafra supporters. I salute you, my fellow congregants, and may God bless Biafra at large. Biafra will hail you, and Biafra will hail you forever and ever. From your brother in the battle.
Yeah, my people, you are welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be small thing, no. As you don't see am, as they happen, you don't hear am by yourself. Say see wetin happen for that place, and they make one request for una. So I'm going to play you the video of when they arrive and there's no police and judge fund to be fined. So let's watch this particular video together.
Nigeria government have come to steal. Then just come to Iko Tutu and break people's shop and be stealing people goods, people goods. And when they came, they were shouting, men should come out where we dey. We don't come out since we no see them, then they run. As we dey pursue them, then they run. Men dey. Who say men no dey? Make them come now. Make them put body. We dey here, we dey live and direct. Then come Iko Tutu. Where they come they break people's shop. They steal. We don't come out to face them. To tell them say, men dey ground. Then come they run. We are here live and direct. We go nowhere. This is our land. Where them dey, they don't run. They don't run. We tell them say now we own ground. That is say we dey joke. We are live and direct in Osumowo.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and see wetin happen for that place, so no be small thing. As you dey hear am, things are really happening. They say men enter the agrigbam for a court to dey wait for the Nigeria joint fort make they enter, but unfortunately they say the gbaga nobody to be seen, and now the parade finish come waka comot. No be small thing, no. Things are really happening for this country where we dey. Abeg, I want me share this video and leave your own contribution for this particular video. Remember, say information na be the key. No be small thing. Okay, now we go see for comment section. Let's talk over there.